Hello, my name is Swan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami small swan. These are made from large pieces, size 1 to 32. It is a very small model and I recommend for the beginner and is very easy to make. For this model we need white pieces. These are large pieces, size 1 to 32, and these 3D origami pieces are made from this rectangular of paper, dimension 5.2 by 3.7 centimeters. And now I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, you will find a link in the description of the video. Now you can see there is a huge difference between these two 3D origami pieces, and now I will transform this. I will use 5 or 6 pieces connected together in a row. I put the edges in the pocket, push, and with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. Today I want to show you how to make these 3D origami pieces. It is the smallest Swan model I create with large 3D origami pieces, size 1 to 32, and let's start. Now we will connect pieces like this, and first I will show you how I glue. You can use liquid or solid paper stick glue. The idea is to put some glue inside the pockets and then connect with other pieces. I glue every piece and I recommend you to do the same. And now we connect pieces like this. We go with three rows in the same time. And we connect pieces like this until we have 15 pieces in the first row, 14 pieces in the second, and 13 pieces in the third row. Complete these rows. I complete all these rows and we have 15 pieces in the first row, 14 in the second, and 13 in the third row. And now we will put an inverted row. Inverted piece means that this round part is not outside like this, but is inside here. And we complete the entire row with inverted pieces like this. This row will make the base of our swan more solid, and also it is more easy to close the base, to close the circle. Like this. We push a little bit. And now, very simple, we close the circle and we complete the first row with the second row with one normal piece and the third row with two normal pieces like this. I call normal pieces all these pieces put with the round part outside the model. Next, we will make some space here for the last inverted piece. And now we have a 3D origami closed base. Next, we put an entire normal row like this. Don't forget to alternate the direction of the row. If you put a row in this direction like this, the other row put the pieces in the other direction. Next, we put two pieces and then one above, and this will be the neck of our swan. And then we let two edges free, and then we put inverted pieces. Inverted pieces, the round part is here inside. And here we let again two edges free. Now we have 11 inverted pieces in this row, and then we put 10 inverted pieces above. We let one edge free, and then now we put 9, and you see we go in the other direction. Do not forget to glue. Then we put 8 pieces, inverted pieces again. Then 7. Then 6. All these are inverted pieces. You can see the round part is here. Now 5 in the next row. 5 inverted pieces. Then 4. then 3 pieces, next row 2, and the last one here. All these are inverted pieces. The round part of the piece is here, and you can see it is very nice pattern. Next we will put one piece here, and we cover one edge from the row here and one edge from the first inverted row, like this, and then we go up on the tail. Now we go on the other side again, here, and we go up. And now the tail of our swan is finished. Next we connect 16 pieces like this in a row, and this will be the neck. We give a very nice round shape, and then we glue here on the chest of the swan, like this. Then we put a small orange size 1:64 piece, and this will be the peak. Like this. And this is the small swan I ever created with large pieces size 1:64. At the end we take a black pen and we put some eyes here and on the other side, like this. And my 3D origami swan is finished. I hope you enjoyed this model. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe, rate, make comments, and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.